Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to link a Sweat wallet to a Sweatcoin. Firstly, open the Sweat wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, then download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you're here, tap on Login with Sweatcoin. Then, tap on Share Step Data. After that, your Sweatcoin account will be logged in here. Tap on Next to complete the account setup. Again, tap on Next a few more times. After that, you will need to confirm your email address. Tap on the Send Me the Code button. A verification code will be sent to your email address, which you have to enter here. So, go to your Gmail account and copy that code. After that, paste that code here. Once you're done, you will see that your account has been created successfully. So, tap on Open Sweat Wallet and log in with your account. Your wallet is now ready to be used. That's how you can link Sweat Wallet to Sweatcoin. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.